Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create a bar graph for your WIDA data. Watch this as many times as you need to and pause as needed. All right, let's get started. So you're going to need two windows in order to complete this task. So the first window will give you the link to Canva and you should have gotten a link from me or Miss Lou. So this is one of our windows that we need to have open. The other one, you're going to need to go to your school email and find an email from May the 2nd from Mr. Schulman about your WIDA results. So it looks something like this, if you recall. And you've got your WIDA data here. Um, we're going to be looking at your proficiency levels. So we're going to look here, and also right here, these right two columns, our 2024 WIDA scores for our domains, and then our 2023 scores. All right, let's jump back to Canva. So we are not going to use any of these tools here. So you can go ahead and click this arrow to hide that. And what we do need is to find a chart to input our data. So to find that chart, just click here. And here is, the table that we're going to be using. Go ahead and click Expand Data Table so that you can see what we're doing. And then all we're going to do is we're going to input our data from the email onto this table. Just pay attention here at the years. Everything here is going to be 2024, and then everything here will be 2023. So don't mix up your years. All right, let's start with 2024. So I'm going to go back to my email to get those scores. The first one I'm going to need is the overall score for 2024. Okay, so right here, up on top here is my 2024 overall proficiency level score. All right, 2.3. So let me put that in. All right, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to get all my domains. So listening, speaking, reading, and writing. All righty. Okay, so listening. All right, it was 3.8. Okay, and I'm just going to go in and input all of this. Okay, and let me just get my last numbers in. All right, I have all my data in. Now I can click this X to make that table smaller. And look, it already has made my bars for me. Now let's customize. Right now it says your name's WIDA data. Let's go ahead and change that. Actually put your name in. My first name is Paula, so I would type that in if this was my data. And the next thing you can do is change the way these bars look. You can change the color, you can change the size, and you can change the shape. All right, let's change the color first. The way we do that, it's very simple. So I just clicked on this data, the graph again, and then these little colors just popped up. So this is for my 2024, the green, and then the blue is for 2023. Let's say I wanted to change the blue. I don't like the blue. Just click on it, and you've got some other colors you can pick. Ooh, that's kind of interesting. All right, find a color you like, and all right. And then if you don't like the other one, you can go ahead and click on that color to get something more of your liking. All right. Okay. All right. I've got my IHSLP colors here. Okay. Now, the next thing you can do is you can change the size of these bars. If you click this arrow up top, it says spacing. Go ahead, click it, and you can just slide this to make the bars thinner or thicker, however you want to do it. And then you can change the shape here for the corners. Do you want them to be sharp or do you want them to be rounded? So right here for roundness, go ahead, click that, and they can be quite sharp, like rectangles, or they can be very rounded. So you pick the way you want them to look. All right. You can also change the font of the labels if you'd like. So go ahead and play with that. The final thing that you can do, some of you took the test uh, for more than 2 years. So you can go back to this table and you can add the other years that you took the WIDA exam. To get that data, go ahead and look in the inside cover of your notebook. At the beginning of the year, Miss Lou and I printed out all your WIDA data. You might also have a bar graph that you drew with colored pencil and a ruler at the beginning of the year that has your WIDA data as well. But go ahead and you can find it, and then all you need to do is click here and add the year. So the year before was 2022, and then add your data there. If you took it before then, go ahead and add the other years. Remember, we did not take the WIDA test in 2021 because of COVID. So it would not be a mistake if you went from 2022 to 2020. But you can just keep adding the years and adding the data, and then it will add that information to your bar graph. Anyway, good luck with this. And if you have any questions, please ask your teacher. Take care.